Welcome to AP US History. I'm your teacher, Mr. Waters. You can contact me by sending messages through our Google Classroom page or email me directly at watersc@sfusd.edu. The dual purpose of this course is to improve interest and appreciation in U.S. history while preparing for the AP exam in May. Distance learning has changed our traditional learning experience, expectations, and routine, but we still anticipate making great progress toward our goals. We plan to work using short videos like this one and a message board to work through problems. We can make adjustments as needed, and we will readjust our procedures if and when we return to in-person learning. For distance learning, we will focus on our critical thinking and writing skills with short answer questions, long essay questions, document analysis, and eventually document-based questions. Grades are set up according to the San Francisco Unified School District's grading scale. In AP US History, we will use a running point total to calculate final grades, meaning we will take the number of points earned divided by the number of possible points to determine your final grade. All of our assessed assignments will focus on reading, analyzing, and writing skills. Our weekly quizzes will be short answer questions. Students will have the option to rewrite to improve their scores. I will send out videos explaining SAQs, our KBATs, Know and Be Able To worksheets, document analyses, and essay exams as we get closer to each. Like the reading quizzes, students will have rewrite opportunities on each of these assignments. The course syllabus contains a rough exam, reading, and quiz schedule. We can make adjustments to these dates as needed. I will provide lecture notes on each chapter to help pull out main ideas. I am understanding and happy to help make this a great year in any way I can. I'm encouraging you to be an active learner and to communicate with me any needs, problems, or questions you might have. Remember, we're working toward a common goal. I want to help you be successful. Please sign and return your course syllabus by Thursday, August 20th. I'm looking forward to a great year. Thank you.